Hello all, today we are going to learn on Technical Data Package. Introduction of TDP. How to create custom template. Setting customer defaults. Publish the template. Advantages of TDP. Introduction on Technical Data Package. A technical data package, TDP, is a single container comprised of a collection of one or more documents that include all the information needed to completely define a product and its requirements. Generally, this is a combination of 3D data, metadata, and PMI, but it can also contain additional information necessary for the proper manufacture of a part or product. TDPs support collaboration with supplier, manufacturing, inspection and quality, assembly, service and others requiring access to 3D model content. The technical data package is designed to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration throughout the product development life. To start creating custom template, open Teamcenter Integrated NX or Native NX and open a sample part in the graphic window. Find the PMI tab from the File options and open the PMI application. From the Template Data Package group we have New Template to create the custom template. And Publish Template option to publish the component into 3D PDF or JTPDF. Click on New Template to create a custom template. Select the sample template and assign the item ID and name. Select the folder to save the template and click on OK. From the template properties, assign the template name and type of template to create and description optional and click on. From the page option select the type of orientation and assign the page name optional and click OK. Select the viewport option from the standard group and specify the location where the component needs to be visible and click on OK. We can add these viewports as multiple as required and specify the orientation to view. Select the view carousels, change the length of the view carousel by dragging the left or right translation. View carousels can only be added to a 3D PDF TDP template. From the rectangle option we can add rectangle block, from the text option add the required text into the template. From the general table select the specific columns and rows for adding the attributes or any other details. Select the cell and edit the text of required and add the attribute from the part attribute option. Here I have assigned the part name, part ID and revision. From the automatic tables adjust the table and specify the locations. We can also add the images as per our requirements. After setting the template as required format, save the template and close. Open the Teamcenter. You can find the template part has been created. To apply this template, set the customer defaults in NX. Open File, New Customer Defaults option. Select the Technical Data Package group and assign the Teamcenter template values in the General tab and click Apply. To assign these values we need to restart NX session. After opening the NX. From the New Template option the custom template is visible, so we can publish the component with this created custom template. From the Publish option, select the template and specify the view type, and specify the location to save the PDF. From the viewport select the type of view and click on OK to save the PDF. In Teamcenter the PDF has been created as a dataset. Open the dataset and download the dataset. If the Adobe is integrated we can view it directly. Open the created PDF from the saved location. Here from the created viewports we can see all the views like front, left side, isometric. In the MDB type model view we can view the PMI dimensions, annotations, and manufacture the product. This way we can create the custom templates. Advantages of TDP: ensures consistency across designs, reducing errors, and enhancing the quality of the final product. Speeds up the design process by providing a structured starting point, reducing the need to recreate common elements for each project. Facilitates compliance with industry standards and internal regulations by embedding them into the design and manufacturing processes. Promotes collaboration by providing a common framework that multiple teams can follow, fostering a more integrated and streamlined workflow. These are the products and services offering from our organization. If you have any queries, please contact our organization through the email or phone. Thank you.